Hello and welcome back to lesson number 11 of our little A1 vocabulary course in German. And today we have a really great topic because today we will talk about weather and nature. And this is actually part of every small talk, okay? So, and we will have 20 sentences you can use in this small talk situations, okay? Please remember, watch the whole video because sometimes I have some comments on some sentences. And yeah, if you like, you can also check out my website, and there you can book me as a private teacher, or you can see one of my courses there. They are really nice courses. Playfully, you learn German there. Just take a look. But here you are here to learn some sentences, so let's get started. And the first sentence of today is here. How we say in German, how is the weather today? And in German we say, wie ist das Wetter heute? Wie ist das Wetter heute? No? Really a really important question. So keep it in mind when you go somewhere and you want to ask, wie ist das Wetter heute? You should ask this. Next sentence. Today the sun is shining and it is warm. Heute scheint die Sonne und es ist warm. Heute scheint die Sonne und es ist warm. No? When you start, for example, with heute, always remember to put the verb in second position. Next one. It has been raining all day. Es regnet schon den ganzen Tag. Es regnet schon den ganzen Tag. So it means literally it rains already the whole day or the entire day. In winter, it often snows in the mountains. Im Winter schneit es oft in den Bergen. Im Winter schneit es oft in den Bergen. It is very cold. It is -5 degrees. Es ist sehr kalt. Es sind -5 Grad. Es ist sehr kalt. Es sind -5 Grad. And Grad stays singular. No? Even if we have 5. No? We don't say Grade. No? We just say Grad. It was the same, remember, when we had euros. No? In German we say 5 Euro. No? It stays singular. But here our next sentence. Tomorrow it will be windy and cloudy. Morgen wird es windig und bewölkt. Morgen wird es windig und bewölkt. It's a little bit wird es, it becomes. No? It's also the future tense, but we normally need a second verb at the end. No? But here it's more like it becomes windy. One more. In summer it is very hot. Im Sommer ist es sehr heiß. Im Sommer ist es sehr heiß. One more. The sky is blue and without clouds today. Der Himmel ist heute blau und ohne Wolken. Der Himmel ist heute blau und ohne Wolken. Okay. We are going for a walk in the forest. Wir gehen im Wald spazieren. Wir gehen im Wald spazieren. Germany actually has a lot of forest, viel Wald in Deutschland. The flowers in the garden are beautiful. Die Blumen im Garten sind wunderschön. Die Blumen im Garten sind wunderschön. No, always remember, im is in dem Garten. Dative case. No? If you like, check out the course on my website. There I use colors to see the grammar. I love the sea and the beach. Ich liebe das Meer und den Strand. Ich liebe das Meer und den Strand. I actually do, and therefore I live on Tenerife on an island. No? Because ich liebe das Meer und den Strand. There are high mountains in the Alps. In den Alpen gibt es hohe Berge. In den Alpen gibt es hohe Berge. And the Alps are part of South Germany. Okay? So the south you have more mountains, in the north it's flat and you have the coast. The river flows through the city. Der Fluss fließt durch die Stadt. Der Fluss fließt durch die Stadt. Do you have a pet? Hast du ein Haustier? Hast du ein Haustier? My dog is very sweet and playful. Mein Hund ist sehr lieb und verspielt. Mein Hund ist sehr lieb und verspielt. I'm afraid of big spiders. Ich habe Angst vor großen Spinnen. Ich habe Angst vor großen Spinnen. It's really I have fear. No, we say I have fear. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Die Katze schläft auf dem Sofa. Die Katze schläft auf dem Sofa. It is very quiet in the countryside. Auf dem Land ist es sehr ruhig. Auf dem Land ist es sehr ruhig. Now it's more common to pronounce ruhig, not ruhig. No? In autumn, the leaves fall from the trees. Im Herbst fallen die Blätter von den Bäumen. Im Herbst fallen die Blätter von den Bäumen. Blätter, leaves, Bäume, or Bäumen, trees. And the last sentence of today. There is a thunderstorm with lightning and thunder. Wow. Es gibt ein Gewitter mit Blitz und Donner. Es gibt ein Gewitter mit Blitz und Donner. And there you have it. So we learned some sentences about the weather, about the nature, about some pets and animals. No? I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments maybe how the weather is in your place. So wie ist das Wetter? No? Write it in German. And go to the description. There you will find a Quizlet link. No? And you can study these sentences by yourself. And then you can use it in everyday situations. And you are ready for your next small talk. Yeah, I think that's everything for today. We have 2 more lessons to go. So I see you in our next lesson. Vielen, vielen Dank und bis bald.